And this is Freya, the star of the day. Are you looking forward to this, Freya? Our Commodore's cruise day. Weather looks bad in Wales, but it's moving down there, fortunately. Hopefully we should be alright. Get a bit of sun later. And we've got Ben joining us. And the star of the day is Freya.
Star of the day, Freya.
And Jenny is going to look after us, all of us.
The boat, the marine, not the boating section of
Freya, getting warm. Yeah, it's a big jump there. The wind, although stabilising at 15 to 20 knots, the sea became a lot more bouncy and it became very uncomfortable for some. With Tony. Oh yeah.
I walked out to the boat. The life jacket, turn it off. Then got in the went off.
Good turnout today. We've got Inca, we got Richie's boat. Still don't know what Richie's boat's called.
The minstrel. Minstrel's in the wind.
And then we got, I think it's Mango, isn't it? That James has called his. Mango from Tango. And then we got Tundra, and we got Mark Magic. Richie's on his own, must be. Quite nice seeing such a big fleet out. How many we got? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 boats out. It's not bad for a Commodore's cruise. The Darts will be joining us, I think, if they don't call off. As the tide turned, the wind was calming, but it became wind over tide, so the swell became a lot greater, and unfortunately our crew member became more and more ill with seasickness, so we had to decide a rescue plan. It was that choppy that I decided to anchor and allow the rib to get close and tie off the rib, so the transferring of the Ben and his family, Freya and Jenny, over to the rib so that they could get back. Anchored off Hoyle Bank, you can see it's quite shallow here, but unfortunately the waves began to rise and it became very bouncy. I'd anchored further out than most, but even then some were finding it very difficult, and there were a few damaged boats, keels and rudders with the bouncing on the hard sand. Our cruiser captain actually walks on water. Once we were settled and the tide had gone, we decided to sit down, have some dinner, and then the rest of them started to get the barbecue going, and everything was sorted. People were playing games, and the day became hotter as it went on, and it was a really nice finish to the day. All the boats all around. The Tundra, unfortunately, has done a lot of damage to his rudder. Hopefully it's all sealed. To get him back, we're going to have to tow him back, but it's going to need new rudder and skeg. It should be alright. Enjoying the sunshine, I decided to put up the drone. Send up the drone, send out the drone, he says. And just to give you an idea of the sort of landscape that we head to, this is Hoyle Bank, occupied by hundreds of seals over the far end, unfortunately. They know when we're coming, so they go to the other end of the island now. But you see a lot of them playing about when we're there, and These are the various boats. A few cats came out to enjoy the day with us. And then, of course, we have door pool, which brings the barbecue and all the food and drink. So that's really successful. Yeah, and over there is West Kirby, the other side of the bank. The rib is there. We sent that out to pick Gareth. Gareth, who had a late night and didn't get up till late. I knew he wouldn't be able to make it, so he walked out to Hilbury Island, and we picked him up on the rib and brought him over so he could do the return journey with us. Overall, an excellent day. What a beautiful end to the day. Sun's going down, well, for a while, it'll take a long time. But we're just cruising in very slowly, nice and slowly. And yeah, we should be okay. Thank you for watching. See you next week.